Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 2007 to 2013 Silverado and Sierra. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab from your frame. Remove or protect any fuel lines, brake lines, and wiring harnesses. Our part features 4 perforated plates to fit over your existing front bed mount, rear leaf spring mount, rear cab mount, and parking brake cable bracket. If you decide to keep any of your existing mounts, remove the perforated plates at this time. If not, cut off the mounts you don't wish to keep. Step 3. After removing the necessary plates, we will need to cut and remove the bottom of the frame where your mid-frame section will sit. To do this, hold your mid-frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Then, remove approximately ½ inch off the bottom of the frame. Step 4. Take your mid-frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your mid-frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 5. If you removed your front bed mount, rear leaf spring mount, or rear cab mount, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation video on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.